Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to install Video Copilot Element 3D in After Effects. Step 1. Preparation. Ensure you have purchased Element 3D from the official Video Copilot website, videocopilot.net. Log into your account and download the main installer file and any asset packs. Close After Effects. Before running the installer, make sure Adobe After Effects is completely closed to avoid installation errors. The downloaded file will likely be compressed zip or RAR file. Extract the contents to a location on your computer, like your desktop. Step 2. Run the installer. Double-click the installer executable.exe for Windows or the installer package for Mac to begin the process. You may want to run it as an administrator to avoid permission issues. Follow prompts. Accept the license agreement and follow on-screen instructions. Then select After Effects version. The installer should automatically detect your installed After Effects versions. Select the versions you want to install Element 3D for. Then, choose the installation location. The default installation path usually works correctly. If you want a custom location, check the Custom checkbox and browse to your desired directory. Next, install assets. The installer will also handle the installation of the necessary asset files. It's recommended to save these at the default location, document/videocopilot/models, as Element 3D defaults to linking files from there. And finally, complete installation. Click Install and wait for the process to complete. Step 3. Licensing and verification. Once installation is complete, launch Adobe After Effects. Create a solid layer. Create a new composition, then create a new solid layer. By going to Layer, New, then Solid. Apply Element 3D. In the Effects and Presets panel, search for Element and drag the element effect onto your solid layer. Open Scene Setup. In the Effect Control panel for the solid layer, click the Scene Setup button. A license window will pop up. Activate the license. Enter your Video Copilot store login information, such as your email and password, in the pop-up window. And finally, click Generate License. This should automatically create and install the license file. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.